Howdy folks, it's Anthony with the Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time, out here in front of the Clover Lane property. And let me tell you what's interesting now, because there's some things about this property that I didn't even know. Alright, so first of all, this right here was a bunch of overgrown yuck and stuff, just shredded all up in here. It's overgrown, growing up a tree. These guys came in here, ripped all this stuff down, and I did not know that we actually had like a little wall there, some little step ups. That's pretty awesome. Did not know that. One. Two, now look at this yard. Look how much nicer it looks as opposed to earlier. It's absolutely phenomenal. It looks like a house almost, man. Second thing I did not know is I knew we had the Clover Lane sign here, but I did not know that we had a little wall here. I did not know that we actually had cactus plants. All I knew is we had a whole bunch of yuck stuff and some yucca plants. But so far it's looking really good. What's up, Roger? Good to see you, brother. So there's another little hidden gem here, which is phenomenal. Alright, got the brother Rick here about to back up Blue. We went by, got some stuff from Bergman to bring over here to have removed. Now, let's come up. Let's look at the front of this house. Wow. I mean, this is incredible, y'all. You remember before all the stuff was literally encapsulating the door so you couldn't even get inside? Now we have space. It has so much overgrowth that it took over. Couldn't even see the windows. Now we're gonna actually get to the windows and measure properly, which is good. Trim these bushes down and tame them. Now we're just backing up some stuff here. The previous owners literally just left a few minutes ago because I got a lot of their crap in here. We're going to help them get rid of. Oh, that's a nice looking truck. Rick really keeps his truck looking good. Go ahead. Alright. We got more space, but I figure we need some space to get the stuff in and out.
Yeah, I didn't have my mirror or my camera.
Yeah, your backup cam, yeah. Alright, so now you can see, so all this stuff that looks like barren land right here was all growth, was all jungle, was all vines, was weeds, you name it, it was here. And now I can literally do something I was not able to do before and walk all the way to the backyard. I mean, so now you can kind of look and see all the vines up here on this house. We can literally walk through without fear of any snakes and whatnot. Wow, could not do this before. We can get these vines out from growing in the basement. Got these big vines growing up the side of the house. And look back here. Wow. This is actually a patio. You just couldn't tell before. And we can walk all the way around this house now. I mean, it's hot, sweaty. Rick and I have been over at the other property at Bergman Street, which is literally around the corner. So look at this garage. The owners came in here earlier, It looks like they're gonna take a lot of the stuff they had here and move to their other house, which is like, why would you do that? But whatever. Oh, Ricky moving stuff without me, man. I'm coming.
Yeah, I'm good.
There's the brother Rick. Woo! Ha 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 ha. Yeah. And so, if it looks like we're moving stuff into the garage, it's because we are. Basically, we had some stuff left over at Bergman Street that we decided, hey, we're paying to have stuff removed, so why not just let these guys take that stuff as well? And so I'm gonna help Rick here get all this stuff sorted out and stuffed in here. There's a couple things we're gonna take back over to the garage that we just made space for, and I'll probably chime back in over there. Oh, snap, crackle, pop. So yeah, this is probably the 5th video I've done today. Probably got another 6 or 7. But Anthony, brother Rick,
Have a good one.
signing out until a few minutes from now, and we'll be back. Eden Mandate. We out here restoring lives, restoring neighborhoods, one home at a time.